I look like a cockatoo. Let's do my hair together. Just a preference. I blow dry. I put this in like my natural hair and it makes your hair like really textury and kind of dirty. Always do my mohawk first, my curling iron, roller, and then for these front pieces, I like to push the roller forward. This gets volume up front. And do the exact same thing. Take sections and curl each side. Take like a third of the hair that I have, and then I section this into two. To do one under and one over, and then I alternate. Okay, so once it's curled, medium roller, and just wrap it. The way I section this is I'll section the top from the bottom. So this will be one roller, and then these will be probably two. Now that those are done, this is the last roller on this side. All of these I was holding it horizontally, and this one I hold vertically to give it volume out. I use big ones, usually on my outsides and then up top. So I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll come back. Okay, so they are all put up. Go get dressed for the day and then I'll be back to take them down. It is raining so hard outside that this hair is just wasted. It doesn't matter, I didn't do it for me, I did it for you. So go in with hairspray and then take them down. I like to get the first layer down. I like to hit it with some texture spray. Okay, top ones, play around, let it sit for a minute, and then hit these top ones with some texture. Not that much. Look, don't use that much. And then you're done. Soften them a little bit. Let me know if you try this, and I hope that I gave you all of the information that you guys have a great day.